Fifth chapter, numerical methods. The first important formula, forward difference operator delta. Forward difference operator is what? Delta. Delta yn equal to, formula is yn plus 1 minus yn. N values we should substitute 0, 1, 2, 3 and then etc. Any value we should substitute for n. Delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x is the formula. Delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. H is the equal interval of spacing. Next, properties of operator delta. Properties of operator delta. If c is a constant, then delta c equal to 0. This is one of the property. Delta is a distributive. Delta of f of x plus g of x equal to delta f of x plus delta g of x. If c is a constant, then delta c into f of x equal to delta, we should interchange c is a constant, take out c into delta f of x. C into delta f of x. Delta c into f of x equal to c into delta f of x. Next property, if m and n are positive integers, then delta power m into delta power n into f of x equal to delta power m plus n into f of x. Delta power m into delta power n f of x equal to delta power m plus n into f of x. Powers you should add. Next, delta of f of x into g of x equal to, it's a property, f of x into delta g of x plus next g of x, we should take g of x into delta f of x. Delta of f of x into g of x is first take f of x is common, delta g of x plus g of x is take out delta f of x. Next, delta of f of x divided by g of x equal to, this is a u by v form. So g of x into delta f of x minus f of x into delta g of x. G of x into delta f of x minus f of x into delta g of x divided by g of x into g of x plus h. G of x into g of x plus h. Next, delta square yn equal to delta yn plus 1 minus delta yn is the formula. So it's a square, it's a minus 1, then what is the 1? So delta yn plus 1 minus delta yn. Next, delta cube yn equal to, it's a minus 1, then delta square yn plus 1 minus delta square yn. N is what? 0, 1, 2 and then etc. N equal to. Next, delta power k yn equal to delta power k minus 1 yn plus 1 minus delta power k minus 1 yn. N equal to 0, 1, 2 etc. That's all. Good morning students. 12th standard distance maths, chapter number 5, numerical methods, exercise 5.1. The first one, evaluate delta of log of ax. Delta log ax given delta log ax. We know that the formula delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x is a formula. Delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x is the formula. Use this formula here, delta log ax equal to f of x plus h. F of x is what? Log ax. So log of ax plus h minus log f of x. F of x is what? Log ax. So log ax. So we know that the formula log a minus log b equal to log a minus log b equal to log a by b is the formula. We should have substituted this formula. Log a is what? Ax plus h. B is what? Ax. So log a by b. A is what? Ax plus h divided by b is what? Ax. So that is equal to, separate we should write log ax divided by ax plus h divided by ax. So a cancel, x cancel, that is equal to log 1 plus h divided by ax. That's all the value. Delta log ax equal to log 1 plus h divided by ax. That's all. Second sum, if y equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1, calculate the values of y for x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and form the forward difference table. Solution: when x equal to 0, then y equal to x value is what? 0. We should have substituted 0 cube minus 0 square, x is 0, plus 0 minus 1. That implies y equal to 0 cube is 0, 0 square 0, plus 0 minus 1. So what is the value? Its value minus 1. So y equal to what is there? Y equal to minus 1. X equal to 0, then y equal to minus 1. Next show, when x equal to 1, then y equal to x1 then 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1 minus 1 equal to 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 0. So 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore y is what is 0. X equal to 1, then y is 0. Next show, when x equal to 2, y equal to x is 2, then 2 cube minus 2 square plus 2 minus 1 equal to 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. 2 minus 1 is plus 1 equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So when x equal to 2, y equal to what is 5. Next when x equal to 3, x equal to what is 3, then y equal to 3 cube, x is 3 minus 3 square plus x value 3 minus 1 equal to 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 square is 9 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 equal to 27 minus 9 is 18 18 plus 2 is a 20. So when x equal to 3, y equal to what is a 20. Next show, when x equal to 4, y equal to 4 cube minus 4 square plus 4 minus 1 equal to 4 cube is a 4 fours are 16, 16 into 4 are 64 minus 4 square is a 16, 4 minus 1 is a 3 plus 3 equal to 64 minus 16 plus 3 is a minus 13. So 64 minus 30, 51. So when x equal to 4, y equal to 51. Next show, when x equal to 5, y equal to, what is the x cube? X is a 5, so 5 cube minus x is a 5, so 5 square, x is a 5 plus 5 minus 1 equal to 5 cube is a 5 is a 25, 25 into 5 is a 125 minus 5 square is a 25 plus 5 minus 1 is a plus 4, that is equal to 125 minus 25 is a 100, 100 plus 4 is a 104. When x equal to 5, then y equal to 104. Hence the forward difference table is x, y, delta y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta power 4y, delta power 5y. So total x values is 5. So delta values also 5 we should find out. X value 1, 2, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. X values. Next show x equal to 0, then y values is got a y equal to minus 1. Minus 1. X equal to 1, then y is a 0. X equal to 2, then y is a 5. X equal to 3, then y is a 20. X equal to 4, then y is a 51. X equal to 5, then y equal to 104. So now we should write the forward difference table. So forward difference table means we should add it's a subtractor 0 minus of minus 1 is a plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is a 1. 0 plus 1 is a 1. 5 minus 0 is a 5. 20 minus 5 is a 15. 51 minus 20 is a 31. 104 minus 51 is a 53. It's a difference table. So next is we should take a 5 minus 1 is a 4. 15 minus 5 is a 10. 31 minus 15 is a 16. 53 minus 31 is a 22. Next 10 minus 4 is a 6. 16 minus 10 is a 6. 22 minus 16 is a 6. Next 6 minus 6 is a 0. 6 minus 6 is a 0. Next 0 minus 0 is a 0. That's all the forward difference table. Third sum, if h equal to 1, then prove that e power minus 1 delta into x cube equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 1. Solution, given h equal to what is the 1. Next LHS equal to e power minus 1 into delta into x cube. So we should write like this, delta is take left, delta into e power minus 1 into x cube. So e power minus 1 formula is e power minus n f of x equal to, formula is f of x minus nh. Here h equal to what is 1. Substitute then, what is here, delta into e power minus 1 x cube is x cube, x power x minus n is what, 1. So 1 into h whole cube. That is equal to delta x minus 1 into h is h value we know that what is 1. So x minus 1 whole cube. So delta into x minus 1 whole cube. So this is the LHS value. So we know that another one formula is delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x is the formula. F of x plus h minus f of x is the another one formula. We should have substituted delta f of x is what, x minus 1 whole cube. So that is equal to f of x plus h. So what is here? F of x plus h is f of f is what, x f of x is what, x minus 1. So x minus 1 plus h whole cube minus f of x. F of x means what is x minus 1 whole cube. X minus 1 whole cube. So we should substitute h value is what, 1. X minus 1, h value 1 plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So x into x plus 0 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. So that is equal to x plus 0 is x cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. We know that the formula, that is equal to x cube minus a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube is what is the formula? A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is the formula. Substitute this formula here. A is x, b is 1. So x cube minus 3 into x square into b value 1 plus 3 into x, a value x, b value 1 square. Here minus is the formula, minus b cube. So minus b is what, 1, so 1 cube. That is equal to x cube minus of x cube minus 3x square into 1 is minus 3x square plus 3x into 1 square is 1 into 3x is 3x minus 1 cube is 1. So x cube minus we should have multiple inside. So what is here? Minus x cube minus into minus plus 3x square minus into plus is minus 3x minus into minus is plus 1. X cube minus x cube is cancel. So what is here? 3x square minus 3x plus 1. So that is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to what is the RHS? 3x square minus 3x plus 1. Hence proved. That's all. Fourth sum. If f of x equal to x square plus 3x, then show that delta f of x equal to 2x plus 4. Solution. Given f of x equal to x square plus 3x, we should find out delta f of x is what? 2x plus 4. Delta f of x equal to LHS equal to delta f of x, that is equal to delta f of x. We know that the formula f of x plus h minus f of x. F of x plus h minus f of x. F of x plus h is f of x plus h. X is x plus h. We should write then substitute, then we get f of x plus h. F of x is x square. X square, x is what? X plus h. So x plus h whole square. X plus h whole square plus 3 into x plus h. X is x plus h. X plus h minus f of x. F of x is, we know that x square plus 3x. So x square plus 3x is f of x. So x plus h whole square, we know that the formula a plus b whole square is what? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. A is what? X, b is what? H. Then a square x square plus 2ab, 2 into a is x, b is h, 2xh plus b square h square. Next one plus 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into h is 3h minus, we should multiple inside minus x square plus minus into plus is minus 3x. Now we should write in order x square plus 2xh plus 3x plus h square plus 3h minus x square minus 3x. So here x square minus x square cancel, 3x minus 3x cancel. What is the remaining? H square 2xh plus h square plus 3h. When h equal to 1, h equal to 1, substitute here delta f of x equal to h equal to 1 substitute this value 2x into 1, 2x into 1 plus h is what 1, so h square 1 square plus 3 into 1, h value is what 1, so substitute here. 2x into 1 is 2x plus 1 square is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 2x plus 1 plus 3 is 4. 2x plus 4. So delta f of x equal to 2x plus 4. That is LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. That's all. Question number 5. Evaluate delta 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 by taking 1 as the interval of differencing. Solution. Given 1 is what? H value. Interval is what? H equal to 1 and then delta 1 divided by x plus h, x plus 1 into x plus 2. This value we should find out. The first one, partial fraction we should find for this 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. This is the equation number 1. We should cross multiple here. 1 equal to x plus 1, x plus 2 cross multiple, then x plus 1 is cancelled. A into x plus 2 is a remaining value plus b into x plus 1, x plus 2 take right hand side, then b into x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2 cancel, b into what is the x plus 1. So find a and b value now. Put x equal to minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 is 0, b value is 0. So a value we should find. 1 equal to a into x value minus 1 plus 2 plus b into plus minus 1 plus 1. So 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 into a is a plus minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 into b is 0. Therefore a equal to what is 1. Next put x equal to minus 2. Minus 2, then a value is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. B value we should find out. So 1 equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So 1 equal to minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 into a is 0. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into b is minus b. Therefore b equal to multiple by minus, then minus 1. So b value is what? Minus 1. B equal to what is minus 1. So substitute this value from 1 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a value is what? A equal to 1. So 1 divided by x plus 1 plus b value is minus 1 divided by x plus 2. So plus into minus is a minus. 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 2. This is a 1 divided by x plus 1. It's a x plus 2. Its equal value is 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 2. So substitute this delta of 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to delta of its value equal to what is the 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 2. We know that the formula delta f of x equal to, what is the formula? F of x plus h minus f of x is the formula. We should substitute this formula here. That is equal to delta f of x. F of x is what? 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is the f of x. So substitute here 1 divided by x plus 1 plus h. X is x plus 1. So x plus h means h. So x plus 1 plus h minus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus h. This is f of x plus h minus f of x. Minus of f of x is what? This is f of x. 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Here given h equal to what is the 1? That is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 1, h value 1, minus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1, minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus into minus is a plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So that is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 1 is a 2, x plus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is a 3, x plus 3 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So 1 divided by x plus 2, 1 divided by x plus 2, add then what is here? 2 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 3 minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Taking LCM, then what is here? Your delta 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to, what is the, take the LCM, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 1 is the LCM we should take. Then what is here? LCM is x plus, first order we should take x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. This is the LCM. So the denominator x plus 2. So except x plus 2 we should take x plus 3 into x plus 1 we should multiply, then we get the LCM. So 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3. X plus 1 into x plus 3. Next show minus 1 into x plus 3 is the denominator. So remaining two values we should multiply, then it's LCM, x plus 2 into x plus 1. 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 1 is what? X plus 2 into x plus 1. Next show minus symbol 1 into 1 divided by x plus 1. X plus 1 is here. Remaining two values we should multiply. X plus 2 into x plus 3 into 1 is what? Same value, x plus 2 into x plus 3. X plus 2 into x plus 3. So that is equal to, the LCM is what? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Here x plus a into x plus b formula we should use. 2 into x is x square plus x into 1 plus 3 plus 1 3s are 3. Next minus, this is also same formula we should use, a plus x plus a into x plus b. So x into x square plus x into a plus b, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next minus of x plus 2 into x plus 3 multiple, then x into x square plus x into 2 plus 3 plus 2 3s are 6. So that is equal to LCM is what? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So we should multiple 2 inside 2x square. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 into x, 4 2s are 8 plus 8x. 2 3s are 6 plus 6. Next minus x square. Minus into plus is minus. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3x minus 3x. Minus into plus is minus 2. Next is minus into plus is what? Minus x square. Minus into plus is minus. 2 plus 3 is 5x. Minus into plus is minus 6. So that is equal to 2x square minus x square is minus plus x square. X square minus x square is cancel. So 2x square and minus x square is cancel. Next 8x minus 3x is 5x. 5x minus 5x is cancel. Next plus 6 minus 6 is cancel, 0. So 0 divided by, okay, wait. Plus 6 and minus 6 is cancel. So what is here? Minus 2. So minus 2 divided by, remaining minus 2. Minus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. That's all the value. So its value is delta of 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is minus 2 divided by x plus 1 x plus 2 into x plus 3. That's all. Sixth sum. Find the missing entry in the following table. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 1, 3, 9. We should find out x equal to 3, then what is y we should find out. Next 81. Solution. Since only 4 values of f of x are given, it's a f of x values is what? Y value is f of x 1, 2, 3, 4 values given. So one value we should find out. The polynomial which fits the data is of degree 3. 3 degree is fits. Hence fourth differences are 0. So fourth difference is what? 0 is given. So fourth difference, therefore delta power 4 of y naught equal to 0. This is the fourth difference. Delta power 4 y naught equal to 0. So we should so delta, we know that delta equal to e minus 1. Delta value is what? E minus 1 now. So substitute here e minus 1 whole power 4 y naught equal to 0. We know that the Pascal triangle 1 plus 1 is 2. Next 1 This is the first one, the second one whole square, then next whole cube, then 1 plus 2 is the 3, 2 plus 1 is the 3, next is the last one 1, the fourth term is the 1 plus 3 is the 4, 3 plus 3 is the 6, 3 plus 1 is the 4, next 1. So e minus 1 whole power 4, then symbol is changed here, 1 into e is what? E power 4, e power 4. Next minus, next symbol is what? Minus 4 into e power cube, e power 3 into 1. So e power 3 into 1 is what? E power 3. Next plus symbol. What is the number? 6. 6 into e square. In the power lesser 1 by 1. So 4, 3, 2. Next here 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. 1 into e square is what? E square. Next minus 4. Next less 1, then what is there? E into 1 cube. 1 cube is what? 1. So 1 into e is what? 1. Next plus 1 power 4. So 1 power 4 is what? 1 into y naught equal to 0. We should take e power 4 into y naught is what? E power 4 into y naught is the y4 minus 4 into e power 3 into y naught plus 6 into e square into y naught minus 4 into e into y naught plus 1 into y naught is a y naught equal to 0. So here e power 4 y naught is what? Y4 minus 4 into e cube y naught is a 4 into y3 plus 6 into e square y naught is a y2 minus 4 into e of y naught is the power is 1, then what is there? Y1, 4y1 plus y naught equal to 0. So power 4, then e power 4 y naught is what? Y4. For example, e power n y naught equal to yn is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. So y4, this is a y3, this is y2, this is a y1, this is y0 equal to 0. Here y0 is a 1, y1 is 3, y2 is a 9. Next y3 we should find out. Next y4 is what? 81. So substitute this value 81 y4 value minus 4 into y3 we should find out. The missing terms is y3. Next plus 6 into y2 value is 9 into 9 minus 4 into y1 value is 3 plus y0 value is 1 equal to 0. Next 81 minus 4y3, 6 9s are 54. So 54, 4 3s are 12 minus 12 plus 1 equal to 0. So except a variable remaining we should take a right hand side. Minus 4y3 equal to 81 we should take right hand side, then minus 81 plus 54 take right hand side, then minus 54 minus 12 we should take right hand side plus 12 Plus 1 we should take right hand side, minus 1. So multiple by minus, then what is the 4y3 equal to plus 81 plus P4 minus 12 plus 1. 4y3 equal to 81 plus minus 12 plus 1 is the minus 11. 54 minus 11 is the 43. 54 minus 11 is what? 43. So y3 equal to, we should add this 3 plus 1 is 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, divided by 4. This 4 we should take right hand side, this side multiple, next side becomes a divide. So it is cancel 4 table, how many times? 3 times 3 2s are 3 4s are 12, 1 4s are 4. So y3 equal to 31. So missing term here, what is the value? 31. That's all. Eighth sum, find the missing entries from the following. X value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value 0. X equal to 1, then we should find out y value. Next 8, 15. X equal to 4, then what is the y value we should find out? Two values we should find out. Next 35. Solution. Let the missing entries by y1 and y4. Y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So y1, y4 is the missing terms. So we should find out. Since only 4 values of f of x value, 4 values only given, 1, 2, 3, 4 values are given. The polynomial which fits the data is of degree 3. Hence fourth difference are 0. Fourth difference is what? 0. We should take a fourth difference is therefore delta power 4 yk equal to 0. So we should take a yk. Delta power 4 yk equal to 0. We should take it. Its value we should find out. Delta power 4 means e minus 1. Delta means what is the e minus 1 whole power 4 yk equal to 0. Here yk, it's e minus 1 whole power 4 is what is we should 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 is 2 1 1 plus 2 is 1 1 plus 2 is 3 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 1. Next fourth term 1 1 plus 3 is 4 3 plus 3 is 6 3 plus 1 is 4 1. Pascal triangle for fourth term. Expand with the fourth term. So what is here? E minus 1 whole power 4 is, we should write 1 into e power 4 is e power 4 minus, next 4 into e cube plus 6 into e square plus 4 into e minus, here minus, plus minus plus minus, next plus 1 power 4 is what? 1 into yk equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. We should take put k equal to 0. Then what is here? E power 4 minus 4 e cube plus 6 e square minus 4 e plus 1 into y naught equal to 0. So y naught multiple, then e power 4 into y naught, e power 4 of y naught minus 4 e square e cube of y naught plus 6 e square of y naught minus 4 e of y naught plus 1 into y naught is a y naught equal to 0. E power 4 y naught is what? Y4 minus 4 y3 e power 3 y naught is a y3 plus 6 e square y naught is a y2 6y2 minus 4 into e of y naught is a y1 plus y naught equal to 0. So we should substitute this value y4. So y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, next y5. It's we should substitute now y4 now. Y4 is what we should find out. So y4. Next minus 4y3. Y3 is what? 15. 4 into 15 plus 6 into y2. Y2 is what? 8. Next minus 4 into y1. Y1 we should find out. So y1, 4y1. Next plus y0 value is what? 0. Substitute here 0 equal to 0. So write here y4 minus 4 15s are 60 plus 6 8s are 48 minus 4y1 equal to 0. So y4 minus 4y1 minus 60 plus 48 is minus 12 equal to 0. So 12 we should take right hand side. Y4 minus 4y1 equal to 12. This is the equation number 2. Next from 1 put k equal to 1. K value 1 we should substitute. Then what is the e power 4 minus 4e cube plus 6e square minus 4e plus 1 into y1 equal to 0. So multiply here e power 4 of y1 minus 4e cube y1 plus 6e square y1 minus 4e y1 plus 1 into y1 is y1 equal to 0. Now we should e power 4 y1 is 4 plus 1 is y5. So y5 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 is 4 y4 4y4 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 6 y3 minus 4 1 plus 1 is 2 y2 plus y1 equal to 0. Now substitute this value. Y5 is what is 35 minus 4y4 is a missing term we should find out. So y4 same we should write plus 6 into y3 value 15 minus 4 into y2 value is 8 plus y1 value is we should find out y1 equal to 0. Now we should simplify this. minus 4y4 35 minus 4y4 6 into 15 is 90 plus 90 minus 4 8s 32 plus y1 equal to 0. 35 minus 32 is what? 3. 3 minus 4y4 plus y1 equal to 0. So plus 90, also we should write plus 90 equal to 0 minus 4y4 plus y1. 90 plus 3 is 93. Take right hand side, then minus 93. So multiply by minus 4y4 minus y1 equal to plus 93. This is the equation number 3. Solve 2 and 3. We should find out y1 and y4 values. So the second equation, y4 minus 4y1 so the second equation multiplied by 4 then 4y4 16y1 equal to 12 4s are 48. Next y we should eliminate y4. So here 4 is coefficient of y4 is 4 is given, here 1. So we should multiply 4, then we get equal. So next third equation, what is 4y4 minus y1 equal to 93. So change the symbol, subtract minus then plus, next minus. So 4y4 minus 4y4 is cancelled, minus 16y1 plus y1 is add, then minus 15y1 equal to 93 minus 48. Here minus is the biggest number having the symbol, so minus 13 minus 8 is what? 5. Next 8 minus 4 is 4, so minus 45. y1 equal to minus 45 divided by minus 15. So minus minus cancel, 5 table 3 times 3 5s are 15, 5 table 9 times 9 5s are 45. Now 3 and 9 is cancelled 3 times. So y1 equal to 3. Substitute y1 value from 2. Substitute y1 equal to 3 in 2. Second equation we should find out. So what is there? y4 minus 4 into y1 value is what is 3. Substitute here, 3 equal to 12. So y4 4 3s are 12 minus 12 equal to 12. This 12 we should take right hand side. What is the y4 minus 12 equal to 12. This 12 we should take right hand side. y4 equal to 12 plus 12 minus 12 we should take right hand side plus 12. So y4 equal to 12 plus 12 is 24. So that's all the missing terms. y1 equal to 3, y4 equal to 24. Here 3. Next y4 is 24. That's all the missing terms.